Hey everyone, Josh Smith with GottaBeMobile.com. We're here taking a look at the 2019 Elantra GT N Line. This is what you need to know about this new trim for the Elantra GT. Hyundai continues to build the N range of vehicles, and with that, we're seeing the N Line, and this is in addition to the various Veloster N and the i30. New for 2019, the N Line replaces the GT Sport, and it's the first of many N Line vehicles that we expect to see. So what is N Line? Basically, it's a sportier, performance-focused model that isn't going to go as far as, say, a Veloster N, but it's still going to deliver a very engaging driving experience. Hyundai hopes that it can better help them compete with other hatchbacks in this area and with small CUVs. Mechanically, this means the engine mount is 6.3% stiffer, the trans mount stiffness is up 24%, rolled mount stiffness is up 37.1%, and the spring stiffness is up 14.3% in the front and 21.9% in the rear. The stability bar is thicker and shocks have been tuned and steering is recalibrated specifically for this model. With the N Line, you get a unique leather wrap perforated end steering wheel with metallic spokes, N Line leather sport seats with the N logo. The N Line gearshift features sporty metal accents and leather inserts, a new sporty instrument cluster and instrument panel accents, and then you also get red stitching and red accents throughout the cabin that differentiate the N Line from the standard Elantra GT. Under the hood, we have a 1.6-liter turbocharged GDI engine with 6-speed manual transmission or an optional 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. If you opt for the dual-clutch transmission, you get larger paddle shifters mounted to the steering wheel. As far as safety and convenience features go, you get smart cruise control with start-stop capability, forward collision avoidance assist, high beam assist, lane keep assist, and driver attention warning. On the tech side, you get an 8-inch touchscreen that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You get wireless charging. You also get Blue Link connectivity and Infinity Premium Audio. The Elantra GT N Line with 6-speed manual is $23,300, and the N Line with 7-speed dual clutch is $24,400. Thanks for joining me to take a closer look at the Elantra GT N Line. You can check out more at Hyundai or at Gotta Be Mobile. If you found this video useful, please give us a like, comment, and let us know what you like about the GT N Line, and subscribe for more from Gotta Be Mobile.